Hi everybody, happy Feature Friday. It's actually Friday the 13th here today at LifterLMS and all around the world while I'm recording this. And today I wanted to show you a little bit inside the email engagement system in LifterLMS. So our email engagement system is a way for you to send an email to a student when something happens. For example, in my case, I'm going to set up an email that the student can get when they fail a quiz to maybe encourage them to keep going and to try again. So let's go over to our dashboard. There's two main steps to creating an email engagement. The first is to actually create the email. So we go to Engagements and Emails, Add Email, and we're going to call this for my own purposes, Feature Friday Demo. I'll come back to this in a second. This is where we're going to put our email content. But right here is the email subject. So let's say, don't give up, comma, and then we can use this merge code box over here. If we click on that, we can scroll down and add, for example, the student's first name to personalize the email. The email heading is a short sort of preview sentence that displays above the content. So you could say something like, sorry it didn't go so well the first time, keep trying. Email 2, this is automatically set up right now, so it's going to the student. If you wanted to change that, you could do that over here. So one thing I want to call to your attention here is that you can carbon copy or you can blind carbon copy an admin, for example. Or you could put in you could actually type in an email address here if you wanted to. But you could carbon copy yourself or blind carbon copy yourself as the admin on this email. So when you blind carbon copy, the student doesn't know that you're getting a copy, but it's a way for you to keep track of who's maybe failed a quiz and how things are going in your course. So we put our content in our email up here. So just a couple of sentences here. I'm sorry it didn't. How about something more encouraging? I just wanted to send you a quick note to say I saw you had trouble with the quiz. Try re-watching the lesson and giving it another shot. I know you can do it. Just something, encouraging. Okay, so we're going to click publish. If you aren't completely done, you can always save it as a draft, but for my purposes today, we're done, so I'm going to click publish. So we've created our email. Now what we need to do is actually create an engagement. So we're going to go down over here. We're still in the engagements menu to add engagement. We can, name our engagement. So we can call this, failed quiz. Triggering event. This engagement will be triggered when a student completes the selected action. This is a drop-down box, so we're going to select student fails a quiz. Now you can select the quiz. So for this example, we were talking about the leadership course, so I'm going to attach this to leadership lesson 1 quiz. Engagement type determines the type of engagement. So we want to send an email when the student fails the quiz, and now we're going to select the engagement that we previously created, which was Feature Friday Demo, was what I had just named it on the previous screen. Engagement delay. So you can have this email go out immediately when the student fails the quiz. You can have it wait a day or two. That's really up to your personal teaching style and opinion. I'm going to have the engagement go out immediately. So for that, I can enter 0 or leave blank to trigger immediately. You click publish, and that is how you set up an email engagement in LifterLMS. Thanks very much. I hope you have a great Friday, and I'll see you next week.